Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Today we have this Breville, and what we did was we replaced all the O-rings inside the boiler to hopefully stop it from leaking. So we're going to do a test shot. I'm using our test coffee. And we are borrowing a single basket portafilter because we did not receive one, and a tray. So we're going to do this test shot real quick. The first few seconds is going to be pre-infusion. And there's that single shot for you. Then we're going to do hot water. There's a hot water for you. Good stream. Close that, and then we're going to test the steam. Beautiful, steady stream of steam. Alright, that's about it. That's all we did to it. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you.